Are you missing out on valuable resources because your scavengers are taking too long? In space, a debris field that spreads out can turn a quick loot into an impossible mission. Let's start with the basics. Debris fields are clusters of wreckage that drift through space. If you wait just 2 weeks for these fields to dissipate naturally, they will spread out significantly, making the job exponentially more difficult. This is why experts generally recommend scavenging immediately. When pieces are scattered over hundreds of meters, as seen when rockets coast near stations, the time cost to travel between them grows, turning an efficient run into a logistical nightmare. Despite the spread, the risks remain incredibly low compared to other hazards. You might lose a handful of crew members or heavy machinery over 20 minutes of play, but there are zero risks to looting derelicts themselves. The rewards for waiting or rushing poorly aren't worth it, as you lose access to fun bonuses like commodities, crew members, officers, and intel pings that are only available while the field is concentrated. Advanced players might even consider building future-proof foundations or visiting specific targets like Indra's debris field with Class 6 ships to collect exotic stuff before the drift causes permanent separation. In conclusion, the strategy is simple. Strike fast. The debris field will eventually dissipate on its own, but you cannot control that clock. Only your speed of execution can determine if you get rich or return with nothing. So there you have it. Speed is everything in the void. What's your strategy for dealing with scattered debris? Let me know in the comments below.